I recently tweeted, "Your face doesn't make you beautiful, your behavior does," on Twitter, which got a fair amount of engagement. I'm not flexing about it, but it reminded me of something. Relationship advice from my friend. In 2020, we had inter-college football matches in my second year of college, so I got the chance to practice with my seniors. During practice, I met Arian. He used to play left wing, and I used to play right wing. His personality was calm and composed. Then we became good friends. One day, when we had a practice match, his girlfriend was also there to watch the football match. She was pretty and was there to support Arian. In college, they used to be the best couple. After our football matches got over, our final exam started. That means my friend, Arian, will move out of college. But before that, I saw Arian's girlfriend with someone else. At that point in time, I thought he might be her friend. I never gave it a second thought to tell Arian. I thought, why should I become a middleman in two people? In 2021, I was in my last year of college. And again, we had inter-college football matches. This time, last year's senior was also there to guide us. That means my friend Arian was also there. One day after my practice sessions were over, I went to him and asked him, how was he doing? What is he up to? He sounded a little down. He might be going through something which I don't know about, so I tried to ask him subtly. Then he told me about his girlfriend and their breakup. Look, that's a long story, but I want you all to have that one piece of advice he gave me that day. He said, people fall for beauty and face in seconds. People don't judge others when they are beautiful by face and not by heart. And we follow the definition of beauty defined by people and never get to know what real beauty is. But when you fall for someone's heart, they don't judge you. They try to understand you. And that, my friend, stuck with me the most. I think there is a thin line difference between love and attraction. When you love someone, you don't try to force it. You try to understand them. You try to listen to them. So please don't force yourself to be in a relationship. Have some time and understand yourself.